athlete honors in 2011. Burke is majoring in history and geography and expects to graduate next May. He is planning a career in coaching and will be a student assistant next season for the Bulldogs. He's joined today by his parents, Mike and Marie Burke. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulldog senior, Matt Burke. Our next senior is Antonio Butler. The Gallatin, Tennessee native has spent the last 2 seasons at Cumberland after 2 years at Lipscomb University. He played in 54 games in 2011, posting a team-high 26 stolen bases. Butler leads the Bulldogs this season with 21 stolen bases while playing in 36 contests. Butler is majoring in sports management and expects to graduate next May. He's joined today by his mother, Sharon Parker, and teammate, Chipper Smith. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulldog senior Antonio Butler. Our next senior is Justin Pan. The Woodbury, Tennessee native has been a member of the Bulldog program the last 3 years. He was named a Trans-South Scholar Athlete in 2011, played in 3 contests last season at catcher, collecting a single in his only at-bat. This year, Fan has taken to the mound for the Cumberland University Bulldogs, appearing in 2 contests. Fan is majoring in accounting and expects to graduate this December. He's joined today by his mother, Melanie, and sister, Kristen Fan. Our next Bulldog senior is Cody Farrell. 11 Tennessee native, has played in the last 2 seasons at Cumberland after 2 years at Cleveland State Community College. Farrell appeared in 17 games in 2011, collecting 3 hits with 2 RBI and posting a 2-1 record on the mound in 7 contests and almost 30 innings of work. This season, he's posted a 2-2 record in 33 innings on the mound, striking out 41. Farrell has also become a regular in the lineup over the last month, batting .328 with 3 doubles, 1 homer, and 11 RBI. Farrell is majoring in biology and minors in chemistry and psychology, joined today by his father, Troy Farrell. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulldog senior Cody Farrell. Our next senior is Ben Foster. Gallatin, Tennessee native, has been a member of the Bulldog program for 4 years, played in 6 contests in 2010, posting a 2-run single at Trevecca Nazarene, saw action in 22 games in 2011, registering a double against Bruton Parker and a single versus Emory Riddle. This season, he's played 14 games, has 1 hit, 2 runs scored. Foster earned his degree in history and geography, graduated this last December, and is currently enrolled in graduate school. He plans to pursue a career in coaching. He's joined today by his parents, Tom and Pat Foster. Here is Christian Jennings. 11 Tennessee native, has played 4 seasons for the Bulldogs, pitching in 31 career contests, mostly out of the bullpen. He has posted a 5-4 mark with 1 save and 63 innings on the mound. Jennings tossed a career-high 21 innings in 12 appearances in 2011 and has a 2-1 with a 2.19 ERA in 2010. This season, the left-hander is 1-1 in 8 games and 14 innings of work. Jennings is majoring in marketing and expects to graduate this May, joined by his father, Doug Jennings. The next senior is Brandon King. Hendersonville, Tennessee native, spent 2 seasons at Volunteer State Community College before transferring to Cumberland. He earned Trans-South Conference Scholar Athlete honors last season, playing in 2 games early in the year before suffering a season-ending injury. This season, he's played in 6 contests while battling injuries again. King is majoring in health and human performance, expects to graduate next May. He'll assist in strength and conditioning department during the next academic year. Joined by his parents today, Jerry and Judy King. Our next senior, Keith Kirby, the Lafayette, Tennessee native, has been a member of the Bulldog program for 5 years and a major contributor in each of the last 3 seasons. Appeared in 37 career games, throwing more than 137 innings and posting an 8-7 record with 5 saves. He was a member of the 2010 National Championship team, winning the final game in the Trans-South Championships against Union University and pitching against Point Loma Nazarene in the NAIA World Series. Last season, he was 4-4 with 3 saves and almost 15 innings of work. This year, the right-hander has been almost exclusively a starter for the first time in his career, compiling a 3-3 record with a 2.25 ERA in 11 contests. Kirby is majoring in accounting with a minor in math and expects to graduate this May, joined today by his dad, Barry Kirby, and his mother, Deborah Lozier. Our next senior, Mike Mandarino, Massapequa, New York native, spent 2 seasons at Brevard Community College before coming to Cumberland. He was a second-team All-American in 2011, batting .370 with 19 doubles, 18 home runs, and 66 RBI at the plate. He also posted a 5-3 record on the mound in 11 appearances and 47 innings of work. This year, Mandarino leads the Bulldogs with a .363 average, 13 homers, 34 RBI. Mandarino leads the Bulldogs with 6 victories on the mound and has a 2.31 ERA in 62 innings of work with 53 strikeouts. Mandarino is joined by his parents, Dominic and Teresa Mandarino. Matt McFarland is our next senior. Russell Springs, Kentucky native, has been a member of the Bulldog program for 5 years. Spent the last 3 seasons as part of the varsity pitching staff. Right-hander has appeared in 14 career contests, posting 1 victory and almost 38 innings of work. Tossed 22 innings, including a career best 7 innings against Shawnee State in 2010 while a member of the National Championship Club. Last year, he appeared in 5 contests and has worked in 5 games this season as well. McFarland is majoring in physical education and health and expects to graduate this May. Joined today by his parents, Rollin and Tammy McFarland. Our next senior is Logan Neal. The Tennessee native is the 3rd 5-year member of the Bulldog program, and the left-hander's role on the pitching staff has expanded as his career has progressed. He's appeared in 17 career games, compiling a 3-3 record in almost 50 innings of work. Last season, he pitched in 7 games with 2 starts, and this year has appeared in 9 contests, tossing 28 innings with a pair of complete games. He is 2-1 with a 3.686 ERA in 2012. Neal is majoring in sports management with a minor in business management and expects to graduate this May. Joined by his parents, Mike and Carolyn Neal. And our last senior is Nick Sidnor. The Huntingtown, Maryland native played 1 season at Concord University before transferring to Cumberland. This season, the outfielder has played in 36 games, collecting 6 doubles, 2 triples, 5 home runs with 19 RBI and 19 runs scored with a batting average of .252. Sidnor is majoring in sports and exercise science. Expects to graduate this December. Joined today by his father, Tom, mother, Leah DeMarco. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for these Bulldog seniors. And thanks to them for their contributions to the University's baseball program.
One of y'all come get me off the ground. Big group of guys there.